Tell me what's going on.
So I was just driving down the street normally. The truck was running good, and all of a sudden it just stopped on me. I tried to press on that gas. I tried to turn it off and turn it on. It just wouldn't come back on.
So now what happens when you try to start it?
It doesn't even turn over.
So it doesn't crank it over at all, is that right?
No. Again?
It doesn't crank, you don't hear the starter engage or anything like that?
No.
All the lights come on inside and outside of the vehicle, is that correct?
Yes. I even changed I got a new battery, put it in there, and it still doesn't do anything.
Have you checked the fuses?
Well, I checked one that it was blown, and we replaced it, and it blew again.
Oh really? Which fuse?
One of the fuses on the inside, one of the small red fuses.
You know what number fuse?
The 10.
It's fuse number 10 or it's a 10 amp fuse?
No.
There's a difference.
It's a 10 amp fuse.
What number is the fuse?
Oh, 12.
Fuse number 12 inside the vehicle, is that correct?
Yes.
Did the vehicle start after you replaced the fuse?
Yeah, but it blew. It didn't start. It just cranked. That's it.
Oh, I see. And then the fuse blew again?
No, actually, I'm sorry. It was
Fuse 11?
Well, it's 111.
Might just be fuse 11. Take a look here. No, you got a fuse 111 here. Holy cow. So that fuse, oh, that's in the battery junction box. You said it's inside the vehicle, correct?
It's engine.
Oh, it's under the hood.
Yes.
My diagram's telling me that fuse is for your transmission fluid pump. So I'm not sure if that's going to be something we need to go after, to be honest with you. Did we check any other fuses?
He said the rest of them was good. He had one of the little meters.
Okay.
But he did say that there was one missing, number 99.
Well, it's not. It likely didn't fall out while driving down the road, so I don't think it's going to be related.
No.
So what we need to do is we got to plug into the computer system and check for codes, my friend. This fuse is for the transmission, according to my diagram.
Okay.
So I don't think this is going to be related, at least from what I can see here on my end. So what you'll have to do is we need to get a compatible scan tool, plug into the data link connector under the dash, turn the ignition on, and we need to check for codes and communication with the PCM.
Because I'm at all the parts store, and that's what they tried to do, but they say they won't show them any codes unless the vehicle comes on.
Well, it still should communicate. Do you know if it had a communication? Is that a yes or is that a no?
Yeah. But they said they can't figure out what's wrong with them. I'm here at O'Reilly.
Right. So what does it say when they plug in? I'm so confused.
It didn't show them a code or anything.
So no codes, and it was communicating, right?
That's what he said.
All right. Well, I got some bad news.
What's that?
So since there are no other blown fuses that we know of, and since there's no codes in the computer and the computer is communicating, somebody needs to diagnose this no crank condition manually. So in other words, we got to check the starting circuit all the way from the ignition switch to the PCM, and then from the PCM over to your starter relay to see where we're missing power.
Oh my God.
So it's going to have to go to a shop, my friend. I can recommend a mobile mechanic if that would help. I can send over some recommendations in the chat, and what you'd have to do is just go through the list and just determine which one's going to be the best fit for you. And once you've made that decision, just give them a call. They should be able to come out and help out. All right, my friend, I'll send it over in a minute, and let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you.
You bet. You're welcome.